Hi everybody, Linux Netbook Guy here, and welcome to today's video. And well, I'm assuming all went well for you and you've managed to install ZorinOS Lite onto your netbook. And now that's done, the absolute fun begins. It really does. So you can now sit back and enjoy one wicked, awesome little netbook. You're going to have a fantastic computing experience from this moment forward, and I'm going to hold your hand and walk you all through it Linux netbook style. Oh yeah, there's no gangnam here, you know what I'm saying. This is going to be straightforward, plain talking. This is how you do it. We're going to get right down and dirty. So in this video I'm just going to do a very quick tour of your operating system interface. So down the bottom here you can see we have a shutdown icon, we have a date, time and calendar icon. We also have, ignore these icons here for Chromium and for Dropbox, you won't have these or this record my desktop icon just yet. You have a wireless network monitor icon that tells you if you're connected to the internet. You also have a battery monitor which will tell you how much power your battery has, and you have a sound monitor and a volume control. If you left click that, it allows you to alter the sound level. And if you right click it, it then gives you some options for that on the actual panel itself. Moving along, we've got a plain bar along the bottom. This plain bar will always hold things like running programs. So if you've got a program running and you minimize it, that's where it will be, and that's where you access it. Either minimize it or maximize it, and that's where it will appear. Moving along, we have two virtual desktops. Unlike Windows that you perhaps are very familiar and used to using, we have different virtual desktops. So you can have one thing on this desktop, go to another desktop and have something else. And it's absolutely no problem. Then all you've got to do to switch between them is click on your different desktops. And it's a really cool, useful feature that we will be exploring and utilising later videos. Okay, so next to that we have a shortcut to Audacious. That's your generic standard music player. We then have a shortcut to File Manager, and that will open your file manager for you. Very nice it is too. And we also have a shortcut to Chromium, which is your wonderful window onto the internet, or in other words, it's your web browser. Okay. Next to that we have the start menu. If you click on that, you then have a menu entries for accessories and all your programs in here, as you can see. I'm not going to go through all the programs today, we'll do that in another video. You also have graphics, internet, office, programming, sound and video. You won't have programming in the default menu. Sound and video, and you won't have wine in the default menu. You then have access to your system tools, and then access to your preferences, which is where you change everything. Don't worry, I'm going to do videos on all of these step by step so you know exactly what is where and how to access what to change what. You then have a run facility and a log out, and if we click on the log out, that will then give us various options to hibernate, suspend, reboot, shutdown, etc. Okay, so that's the basic interface of ZorinOS 6.2 Lite, and indeed you'll find it will become very quickly your friend. One utility you might want to download and install just to make your life a little easier is called Synapse. And Synapse allows you to type something in if you prefer to type things in to launch them rather than having to hunt around menus. That's okay providing you know what the application is called. Again, I'll cover Synapse in another video for you and handhold you through it. But for now, that's a simple look around the straightforward interface of ZorinOS 6.2, and as I say, your computing life is now about to be completely transformed for the better. Absolute congratulations and well done for getting Windows off your gorgeous little netbook, and a massive pat on the back for putting ZorinOS 6.2 Lite on there. Thanks for watching everybody. Please rate, comment, subscribe, thumb the videos up, and I'll see you all really soon for another wicked Linux Netbook Guy video.